So now you might have the question, why replicate machine learning research papers? Well, the number one reason is that it's a fun challenge, and if you want the skills to be a machine learning engineer, well, here's the steps. 1, download a paper. 2, implement it. As other words, turn it into usable code, and a paper in this case is a machine learning research paper. And 3, keep doing this, in other words, practice 1 and 2 until you have machine learning skills. And I've put a little asterisk here, we'll see what that is in a second, but that's a quote from George Hotz, which was, I took this as a screenshot from one of his live streams on Twitch where he codes machine learning and other things. But he's the founder of Comma AI. Now, Comma AI is a self-driving car company building computer devices like this that use computer vision to understand what's going on in the world of driving and then form actions around that as to drive a car. So that's pretty darn cool. But let's dig a little bit into what's going on here. Why would this be the case? Well, download a research paper. In our case, it might be this PDF here. Now, this is from the Google Research Brain team. Now, Google are pretty sophisticated at machine learning, right? And if they're publishing research like this, and fairly recent as being state of the art on computer vision, do we have the word state of the art? There we go, state of the art. So vanilla transformers competitive with or even better than state of the art CNNs, meaning that their vision transformer is, let's just say, very good when it got published. So if we want to become a machine learning engineer, which I'm sure we all do, it's very fun being a machine learning engineer, we download a research paper, we turn it into code, because that's what a machine learning engineer does, right? Is they write code to take data, build a machine learning model to find patterns in that data, and then deploy that model so that it can deliver intelligence in some form of application. And then if we keep doing these steps, well, we get skills, because you get skills from practice. And the asterisk here that I've put is that machine learning engineering also involves building infrastructure around your model, so some way to load data, transform it, and then model it, / data pre-processing steps. And in fact, I'd probably add another step here, is that you want to go from taking data to building a model, in other words, downloading a research paper, the best of the best, and then find a way to deploy that said model. So get it into the hands of others. And we're going to be focusing on deployment in the next section. But for now, we're focused on becoming a machine learning engineer by downloading a paper and implementing it. And then after this, once you've gone through this, you can go on and do number 3 on your own, is that keep doing the things that we're doing in this section, PyTorch paper replicating, until you've got some machine learning skills. So with that being said, let's keep going. In the next video, we're going to cover where can you find machine learning research papers.